Hello, welcome to another edition of Mr. P Math Snippets. This is 4.1 Math 020. Fractions. We're doing pictures and mixed and improper rules today. Okay, so looking at math, there's a lot of pictures. You know, pictures sometimes speaks like words. When you look at the pizzas, right? Pretend like these are 4 pizzas, right? This one's a whole pizza, this one's a whole pizza, this one's a whole pizza. So you have 3 holes, and then these are cut into eighths. You know how they do the pizza, right? You know, and then so it's cut into eighths. So 3 eighths are shaded here. Actually, yeah, look, we'll just say 2 eighths. Yeah, 3 eighths is shaded here. 3 eighths is shaded. So you got 3 holes and then 3 eighths. So 3 holes and 3 eighths mean 3 and 3 eighths, right? But you can also look at it just counting in eighths. If you count all the eighths, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So you can also look at it as 27 eighths that's shaded. So 27 eighths are 3 holes and 3 eighths. So 3 holes and 3 eighths is the same thing as 27 over 8. But you can also do the math to check that too. How do you go from mixed number to the improper fraction? Because this is called a mixed number and this is called an improper fraction. How do you do that? Well, you do this orbit thing. You go in this direction, right? You go in a clockwise direction. 3 times 8, which is 24, plus 3, which would be 27, and put that back over to 8 again. Well, that's if you're going from mixed to improper. What if you're going from improper to mixed? Well, you take the bottom into the top and you do long division. So this will be called the divisor, and this is the quotient, which is the answer to the division problem, and this is the remainder. So 8 going to 27 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. You subtract, you get 3. So the remainder is 3. So the way you set this up is it's always the big Q, the big quotient, which is 3, and then the remainder over the divisor. So it'll be 3 over 8, because this number is always smaller than this number. Okay. So what exactly is a proper fraction? It's the little guy over the big guy, the little number over the bigger number. The improper will be the bigger number over the little number. And then the mixed number is always the whole number and the proper fraction next to it. Simplify. Well, this time you got from now on, from this lecture on, if they say this word and it's a fraction around, you got to reduce the fraction to lowest terms. So you got to find either the greatest common factor of these two numbers, in this case 4. So because 4 goes into itself and 4 goes into 8. 4 goes into 4 one time, or 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 4 eighths of the pizza is the same thing as half of the pizza. What about this one? You could also do it this way too. Remember, you can look at this and see that if you know your timetables, the greatest common factor of 40 and 72 is 8. So you see we took out the 8 right there. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we took out the 8, and so you divide top and bottom by 8, you get 5 over 9. Or you can break this down, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 times 5, and break this down and reduce it that way. But the answer is 5/9. All right. We are done with this. 4.1 is done. We'll move on to the next snippet. See you on the next one.